Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marlen. Happy Monday. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a salsa verde taquera. This salsa is super easy to make. It's that salsa that's creamy, that looks like guacamole, but in reality it has no avocado. It's super easy to make and it's delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. These are the ingredients that I use to make the salsa verde taquera. It's that green creamy salsa that looks like guacamole but really is not. I have 6 chiles serranos, 4 tomatillos, they're kind of small, 1 garlic clove, a piece of white onion, and I like to season the salsa with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, but you can always use salt instead, salt to your liking. If you don't want your salsa to be spicy, you can add less chiles serranos or substitute them for jalapeno. Jalapeno does give it a different flavor. It's still good, but it does give it a different flavor, or you can always add more tomatillos. We're going to start by adding 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil to a pan, medium-high heat, and then we're going to add our ingredients. I'm going to start by adding the chiles serranos. Here I have 6 pieces, and we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes. You want to make sure they don't burn, so you want to turn them and make sure they kind of cook evenly. So as you guys can see, after like 2 minutes, I went ahead and turned them, and that's what they're going to look like. Or if you're going to use jalapeno, they're going to look like this as well. So we're going to do this for 5 minutes. So after 2 minutes, go ahead and turn them, another 2-3 minutes. After 5 minutes have gone by, we're going to add our tomatillos. I have 4 small tomatillos. We're going to add the onion and the garlic clove. The garlic clove and the onion do cook fast and can burn easily, so keep an eye on them, make sure you turn them. And we're going to cook these ingredients for another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes have gone by, as you guys could see, the tomatillos, we're kind of frying the tomatillos, the onion, and the garlic clove. We just want to make sure we turn the ingredients so they don't burn. It's been a total of 10 minutes since we added the chile serrano. It's still not fully cooked, neither are all the other ingredients. So what I like to do is just turn them one last time, and we're going to let them finish cooking by putting the lid on top of the pan, and it's going to steam in that oil. The tomatillo and the chile serranos are going to release some liquid that we're going to be adding to the blender cup when we make the salsa. So after 5 minutes, this is what the ingredients look like. The tomatillo changed color. It's fully cooked now. So did the chile serrano. The onion is transparent and the garlic clove is completely cooked. So we're going to let them cool for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to add the ingredients to a blender cup or a blender. So once we've added all the ingredients into a blender cup or the blender, we want to make sure we add the liquid that's in the pan, which is 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil plus whatever liquid the tomatillo and the chile serrano released. I like to season my salsa with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, but that's optional. I love the flavor that it gives it, but you can always use salt instead. It's not a lot of liquid that goes into this salsa because we want that nice, creamy, thick salsa. The chicken bouillon, I highly recommend you use it. It does give it so much more flavor. We're going to blend these ingredients for about 4 to 5 minutes. We want a creamy, smooth salsa. The oil is the one that gives it that creamy consistency and that kind of like light green color. If you use water, you'll have a darker green salsa. Once we're done blending it, this is what it looks like. It's very smooth, creamy, almost looks like a guacamole, but it's really not. And this is the final result for the salsa verde taquera or the creamy salsa. I hope you guys like this recipe and give it a try. Remember, tomorrow is Taco Tuesday, so it's a perfect time to make this salsa. You can also enjoy it with some chips. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.